We build vehicles that accentuates people's lifestyles outdoors. This Subaru Forester is no exception. We just wrapped up the build to take this thing from mild to an extremely capable off-road vehicle. Follow along as we show you how. With fuel nearing $5 and $6 a gallon, these battle cars, just like the Subaru Forester, are all that more important and relevant in today's off-road scene. We've got a 2019 Subaru Forester Sport on the lift right now. It is getting a 2-inch Ironman lift. We're doing some Method 502s, some new Falken all-terrains, and an exhaust. We're gonna walk you through the whole thing because this is gonna be one awesome Subaru. First part of this project is the suspension. We've got a rear strut laying here on the table, and we were just talking about some of the differences when looking at these two. I was really initially impressed by the diameter of these new Ironman coilovers. Substantially different. Of course, this is taller, the spring's longer, and it's gonna give it some lift because of that. We've got the front suspension all together, and the front of that Forester is pretty simple. It's just a complete strut, much like this one. You take the old one out and put the new one in. The customer chose this particular kit because he wanted a full replacement strut assembly. There are definitely other kits on the market that use strut spacers, and that's cool. But this guy wanted a full replacement piece. Out back, things get a little bit more complicated. Let's go check it out. So we've got the strut that needs to go in yet. That's what's laying over there on the table. You can see this thing has a whole rear subframe back here. We installed these spacers right here and here. There's one in the front, one in the back, and the sway bar relocation. So that's gonna give us the correct geometry for the rear suspension, the sway bar operating on the right plane, and it's gonna create a little bit of a lift. It's really gonna transform this Subaru. Like I said earlier, getting more and more cars in the shop is something we see regularly, and I think it's probably because people are looking for one vehicle to do it all that gets good fuel economy, and oftentimes a vehicle just like this is the answer to that. We've got the Forester all wrapped up, and I love how this thing turned out. I know I always say that in every video, but what a transformation. It's exciting to see something go from bone stock to this thing. What an incredible take. Again, we did the Ironman 2-inch lift. We got Method 17-inch bronze 502s and Falken AT trail tires in a 245/65/17, which equates to about a 29.5-inch tall tire. I think the customer is gonna love this thing. It's gonna definitely enhance his lifestyle and make sure that he gets to the trailhead, to the launch site, wherever he's gonna go, to use this vehicle for his lifestyle of adventure. If you like this thing, be sure, let us know in the comments. If you've got questions, want to do one just like it, Hit us up in that comment section. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for lots of great content just like this build. We're releasing it on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Everything that happens here in the shop on a daily basis. Thanks for watching this one. See ya.